Welcome to GoWild Accessories. I'm Rob and let me show you what we do.
Let's start off with this bare basic Nissan NP200. By tapping into the original aircon system in the engine bay, we're able to provide a cost-effective cooling solution. With our professional tools, we can make custom piping, and our qualified auto electrician keeps the wiring clean and tidy. From the driver's seat, it's simple to track temperatures, and in the rear we have ultimate control over our 22,000 BTU aircon unit. This vehicle features our light-duty aluminium parcel shelf and door-controlled interior light. Our non-invasive insulation makes vehicle resale a breeze. Top this off with professional machinery, and it's no wonder why GoWild is your first option.